Assalamualaikum. My name is Ashraf bin Abdul Aziz with ID number EC18090. I will be presenting our lab. For the team members, consists of me, myself, Ashraf, Syahda Maisara binti Mat Sobri, dan Syahira binti Muhammad Fazil or Syafika binti Hanta. Each of us already given a task, and my task is do a simulation. Okay, this is the circuit that I designed. How I design this is by select the component from the library browser and then insert the component into this. And then this is for the irradiance. I choose 850, and for the temperature use 25. So before we start to design the circuit, we need to configure the solar module. So how to configure the solar module? We go to the utilities, solar PV, at the solar module here, and then okay, before that, our group is group 11. So the value of IC is around 5.7. And then we found a data sheet that have almost same with the our group value, which is 5.75, which is 5.7, and this data sheet is 5.75. Then we transfer the data from the data sheet into this the solar module for to configure the solar module. Then we set the input value, and then copy PSIM parameter. After that, you can show that the PV module here is already configured with our value datasheet from the datasheet, and then you can run the simulation. Okay, insert we need to find the IV characteristic. So we put an I array here. Okay, as this select to V array because we want the IV characteristic. Okay, so this is the IV characteristic for the first single solar module here for the irradiance 850. So around before that we add another P power array. Okay, so this is the IV characteristic and PV characteristic. So how to know the value is by clicking at this bottom left here, and then we can know the IV the maximum value is around 4.5 here, and the P array is around 77. Okay, based on the previous design, I extend this circuit design to series connection. So this circuit is basically connected in series. So this whole circuit consists of 20 PV module, which have the same configuration data, same as previous that I already configured the PV module. So and then we can run the simulation. By run the simulation, okay, there is something error. C set C13. Oh, okay, here. Oh, there is no value. Alright, can run. So I put around 25. And then we can run. Okay, after I've run the simulation, and then we need to choose the I array. Alright, change the axis to V array because we want the IV characteristic. And then we add another P array here. So this is the PV array. This is the IV characteristic, and this is the PV characteristic for the series connection. So we need to check how to check the maximum value is by clicking here, and then here is the maximum value for IV array. Okay, after done running the simulation for series connection, now this is the parallel connection with the same number of PV module and with the same configuration with the datasheet here. So the shunt resistor RSH is 1000 kilo ohms. Okay, and then we can run the simulation. After done running the simulation, it will appear, and then we pick an I array. We select the axis, change to the V array, add another graph, which is P array, so that it will be IV characteristic and PV characteristic. So to see the maximum value, we choose here. So the maximum for PV characteristic is around 1.5 kilowatts. That's all from us. Thank you.